Baby Nasal Aspirator Replacement Hygiene Filters by Chubby is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Value pack comes with generous 120 disposable filters per package. 6x more than the brand name ones. 100% baby safe, made from premium medical grade foam. The manufacturer's hygiene filters are BPA free, latex free and phthalate free. Superior density. Filters that are tough yet gentle can prevent mucus or bacterial transfer for seamless snot sucking. Easy to use. Simply insert one of the manufacturer's new filters after disposing of the old one, and you are now ready for your next call of duty. Effective and non-invasive, nasal aspirator with hygiene filters helps remove nasal congestion and clear baby stuffy nose in a safer and more effective way. Reliable compatibility. The manufacturer's high-quality replacement filters are designed to work perfect with nose-free to the snot sucker nasal aspirator. The manufacturer offers a complete no-questions-asked money-back guarantee.